Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. BeCexy Pre-Qualification is live. We are going to look at the latest update and how to connect your Wigmag wallet. You need to connect your Wigmag for you to be able to claim your token. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. And also join our Telegram channel for first-hand updates. Right now we are going to go to the BeCexy portal so you can see what they said here. It is happening. Pre-qualification is live. Head over to the portal and complete your qualification now. Got question, the full guide. If you have any question, you can check it out here on how to qualify in the post above. Note, the first CEXY code, the final key to complete the qualification, will be published in BeCexy social media in the next few hours. And to make it in this BeCexy code, you need to be on alert. The first code has expired. Before you even say Jack Robinson, the code has expired. So if you're in Nigeria, make sure that you check your phone every 3 o'clock p.m. to know when the code will drop, because this code is limited, and if care is not taken, a lot of us is going to be disqualified, because if you did not get the code to activate it, I wonder how you can be eligible. So you have to do this. Even I myself, I need to be on alert so that I can get the code at the right time and place it. They said, so make sure to follow all the social media and turn on notifications so that when the code is dropped, you get notified. Now let's click on this portal to go to the BeCexy portal. Then you click on open. So you click on get started. So this is my email. If you have not if you have not joined the wait list, I'm going to drop my email, my referral link, sorry. Do well to use my referral link. Now click on Airdrop. So over here you can see that my email is already there and my Telegram is already connected. So the next one remaining is my wallet. This is the next one remaining. So what you are going to do is, first you need to create your Wigmag wallet. Go to your Play Store and look for Wigmag wallet, or preferably click on this place. It will take you straight to the Chrome and you will be able to click on the Google Play. Then it will take you to the Play Store. You will download it. Once you download it, you come back to the BeCexy portal, you click on connect. Now they say please use external browser. We recommend that you connect your wallet using external browser on your mobile phone, as you may experience connection issue by continuing in Telegram. So they are telling us to go to external browser. So we are going to click on this. We are going to click on this 3 line to copy the link. Then you click on share. Tap on this link, share. So we are going to copy the link. You can see copy right here. Click on copy. I've copied the link. Now let's go to the external browser, which is Chrome or whichever browser you are using. So I'm going to paste the link here, the link that we copied, the BeCexy link. I'm going to paste it here. So this is the email. So what we are going to do is you are going to sign in. I've already signed in before, so you are going to sign in. Then you put the same email. You put they will send you OTP. You go to your email and get the OTP. Then you sign into the site. Then you click on connect right now. Then this is the different method, different Solana wallet you are going to use, but it is preferable to use their Wigmag. This is the one they recommended, so tap on it. Now this is the Wigmag wallet. You are going to allow it to load. Connecting, give it time. I saw connecting. Can you see this connection request? Do you click on connect here? You can see connect. Tap on it. Tap on this connect. They said hold to connect. You can see it there, hold to connect. So you connect. They say hold to connect. Just hold it. Connecting. Give it time. So that is it. You see that it has already connected, but I'm looking for where to see connection successful. So if you click on the settings, you can now see Web3 Connect. Look at it, Web3 Connect, and you can see BeCexy. That means my account is connected. For me to see BeCexy, that means it's connected. Now if you click on it, can you see BeCexy Web3 Connect? This is showing connected and it's already. So if you look at it right here, you can see that BeCexy is connected and it has still good. This is the only Web3 wallet that is connected, and that is it. That shows that my wallet is connected. Now let's go back to BeCexy. So coming back here, it's still showing connect, even though it has already ticked good there, and it's still showing connect. So what we will need to do is just to keep on trying. Maybe it will finally connect. Keep on trying so that it will show disconnect here. It has to show disconnect this place, although it's already connected, but it has to show disconnect. Then you need to subscribe to their YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, I have subscribed, but since it's still showing subscribe, it's not going to connect. I don't know what is wrong with it. And at this time, you need to click on this small box. You agree terms and conditions. Tap on it. You have agreed. Then you click on apply. It cannot. So you are going to be checking. This is where you put the code. This is where you put the code that you are going to receive every day. I don't know whether it's every day, but once the code drop, this is where you are going to put it. Once you click on it, you will now see check code. Tap on it. If it is correct, you will got it. If it is not correct, it will tell you limited. I believe you have got value from this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification. You can as well reload the page. It might work. Let me just reload and know whether it will show connected. Still the same thing. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.